gonna make the Filipino ube yam. I'm sorry if my voice is you can't hear my voice. I'm kind of losing my voice, but today we will make this ube yam. So here are all the ingredients. You need sugar, you need sweetened condensed milk, you need evaporated milk, and you need the grated purple yam and butter and coconut milk.
So how much of those ingredients do you need?
So for the sweetened condensed milk, you only need half. This, I think you only need 1 entire can of the evaporated milk. You need the whole pack of the purple yam and about half of this butter.
Like 2 tablespoons?
Yeah. You need 1/3 of sugar.
Since we already have a half of the condensed milk, right?
Okay.
Okay, so now
first,
what you need?
You will need the butter.
Okay.
First, you'll need the butter.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have to cut it into small bits.
Is it a pancake something?
Yeah. Now you have to cut it into small bits.
Oh, okay. Why don't you just put it all?
No, that's what. So, and then what you're going to do is you're going to melt this butter, and then you're going to put it into the pot, and then you're going to put the ube yam.
How about the heat of your
It
stove?
needs to be medium-low.
Medium-low? Okay.
That's the heat.
Then how?
Leave it unattended.
Okay.
You have to do it and keep on stirring, or the ube is going to burn really easily.
Oh, okay.
So you need to stir it. You're probably going to be there for... I'm told you might be there for an hour and 15 minutes.
Whoa, that's a long time. This is our cooking lessons for summer. Xander really wanted to learn. So, yeah.
So now we need to add the ube yam.
So next step is...
You put the purple yam
Okay.
inside here.
All right. Yeah. So me and Kuya, aside from our DIY and our crafts for summer with his little brothers, he really wanted to learn how to cook and to make the Filipino dishes. The handle of the pot. Okay. So we mix it till what? Till
it soaks up all the butter.
Oh, okay. All right. So next is because the butter is already soaked on that ube yam. Okay.
So now you pour half of the evaporated milk.
Yeah, a while ago you said 1 can because we thought that we have the big bag of the purple yam, right?
It turns out
But
really
I think we just need not half, 1/3. Yeah, just 1/3. Let's do that first. Yes, you put the coconut milk, right? Oh yeah, so maybe 1/3 too. You know,
Yeah, 1/2.
It's already I think so.
Let's see. Okay, it's 1/2.
All right. Add a little bit more. Just add a little bit more. There you go. Okay. Then next is what?
Wait, first we gotta mix this.
Okay. Mix it. All right. Nice. That's nice.
Almost.
And then
Okay.
next is...
So now you add the sweetened condensed milk.
Okay.
Half a can.
Huh? I thought it's not...
I mean...
Maybe 1/3, right? Because we don't have
yeah.
the big bag of... There you go. Oh, a little bit more. There you go. That's good.
Well,
Hello.
that's 1/3.
All right.
Now
Next
we gotta
is...
mix it again.
Mix it again. Okay. What's next?
So next we put the sugar.
Okay. Put the sugar.
The 1/3 of a cup, like I said. So
1/3
now
of a
we will
cup.
use the measuring. Oh no, wait.
Next is...
Okay, next is the 1/3 of a cup of sugar.
Okay. All right, let me see. We're also making a chicken tinola. So we already
Making 2 recipes at once.
yeah.
And then you can just keep on
For
stirring
dinner.
for a while
Okay.
until
Keep on stirring.
until it is sticky.
Oh, okay.
till it's kind of sticky, and then that's when you know it's done.
Oh, okay.
So it's gonna take a while.
So we'll just be back in a little bit.
So it's been about 17 minutes, and it's starting to be much thicker. So
So just keep on stirring
keep on
it.
stirring. Maybe within the next 30 minutes it'll be almost there.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll be back again in a little bit. Our tinola is almost done. Okay.
So about 25 minutes of stirring. Oh yeah, it's definitely done. You have it. The ube yam. It should come down slowly off your spoon like this. And there you
Oh,
go. There you have it. It's done.
Can I taste it?
Sure. It's pretty hot though.
Let me see.
Still bubbling.
Still bubbling. Ooh,
Let me try.
it's so good. Perfect.
Oh my god, it's good.
High five. Good job.
So now we're going to transfer it to a tiny bowl. Yeah.
I'm helping him because I don't want him to burn his fingers or his hands. There you go. There you go. That's good.
That's good. I just want every last bit of it.
Alright.
It's good.
Perfect. And here's your yam.
Bye guys. See you next time.